In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Surfshark VPN issues by switching the VPN protocol. If your connection keeps dropping, certain sites won't load, or speeds feel off, the most effective single change you can make is selecting a different VPN protocol inside the app. Think of protocols as different routes your encrypted traffic can take. Some routes are faster, some are more resilient, and some are better at getting through strict networks. Changing that route often solves connection headaches without touching anything else. Start by opening the Surfshark app on your device. Look for the settings area, which may appear as settings, preferences, or a gear icon. Inside, find the section labeled VPN settings, protocol, or advanced. You're in the right place when you see options like automatic, WireGuard, OpenVPN UDP, OpenVPN TCP, or IKEv2. If you currently have automatic selected, try choosing a protocol manually. If you're already on a specific protocol, switch to a different one to see how your connection responds. Here's a quick way to think about the choices. WireGuard is typically the fastest and most efficient, great for everyday browsing and streaming. OpenVPN UDP often gives good speed, but some networks block UDP traffic. OpenVPN TCP is more conservative and reliable, and it can punch through stricter firewalls or unstable networks better than UDP. On many mobile devices, IKEv2 can handle switching between Wi-Fi and cellular smoothly, which helps maintain a stable tunnel on the go. The key is to pick a different option than the one you're using now and test it. After selecting the new protocol, disconnect the VPN if it's currently on, then reconnect so the change takes effect. Give it a few seconds to establish the tunnel. Once connected, try the same app, website, or service that was giving you trouble. If the issue clears up, you found a better match for your network conditions. If not, cycle to another protocol and reconnect again. This one change is safe, reversible, and often resolves problems caused by ISP routing quirks, campus or office firewalls, and public Wi-Fi restrictions. A couple of final tips as you experiment. Stick to switching protocols only and avoid changing other advanced options unless you know what they do. If things improve, you can leave that protocol in place or return to automatic later. That's all there is to it. By simply switching the protocol in your Surfshark settings, you can often restore a stable, fast, and reliable VPN connection.